BES4 Power Pack 2 adds the ability to place layering alignment marks around your artwork for aligning multiple layers of adhesive vinyl. It also allows you to separate the layers for cutting and will save each layer as a separate FCM file for cutting with a scan and cut machine. Once you have your artwork ready, click on the Arrange tab and then in the Sequence View window, select All Items. Press Layering Alignment, choose where you want the alignment marks, and then press OK. I have zoomed out so you can see the layering alignment marks and the weeding squares around the artwork. If you prefer the alignment marks in a different position, click Undo, select All, and then choose Layering Alignment again. Select a different location for the alignment marks and then press OK. To separate the layers for cutting, press All Items or select All, and then press Separate Layers. The default option will save each layer as an individual FCM file. If you want them all in one file, remove the check mark. You will need to press the Tools tab and choose Export FCM if you remove the check mark. Give the file a base name. Each file will be saved with a number behind the base name. Press Save. To view the files, click on the Paste Setter button, choose Import, and then Import Artwork. You will see the files in the window. To see a preview of the file, single-click on it and it will appear in the preview window. For more information about BES4 Dream Edition Power Pack 2 and other Brother products, visit your local authorized Brother dealer.